Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of smartphones with the Motorola Edge 50 Pro. Packed with cutting-edge features and stunning design, this device is truly a game-changer. So, let's jump right in and explore what makes this phone stand out from the crowd. First up, let's talk about connectivity. The Motorola Edge 50 Pro is not just compatible with T-Mobile and Verizon 5G networks, but also works seamlessly with other major carriers and even prepaid options. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or video calling, you'll experience lightning-fast speeds and reliable connectivity wherever you go. Now, let's talk about design. Take a look at this beauty. With curves on every side, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro not only looks incredible but also feels comfortable in your hand. It's a perfect blend of style and functionality that's sure to turn heads wherever you go. But what about performance? Fear not, because the Motorola Edge 50 Pro is powered by the industry-leading Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming content, you'll experience lightning-fast speeds and smooth performance like never before. Now, let's talk about photography. With triple high-res cameras and a telephoto portrait lens, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro lets you capture stunning photos in any light. Say goodbye to shaky videos thanks to the built-in OIS, and immerse yourself in the world of photography like never before. And let's not forget about durability. With IP68 underwater protection, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro is built to withstand dust, dirt, and even a quick dip in the water. So, you can take your adventures to the next level without worrying about damaging your phone. Last but not least, let's talk about battery life. With days of battery life on a single charge and 68W turbo power charging, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro keeps up with your busy lifestyle. Say goodbye to low battery anxiety and hello to uninterrupted fun.